too high. Aha, these are smaller, but they're low enough. Okay. So black locust trees are gnarly, thorny, nasty things that they kind of grow on the edges of meadows or in torn up ground where there's lots of sun. And every part of the plant is toxic except for these flowers. And they smell beautiful. I wish you could smell this. They just fill the air with this nice sweet flavor. The wood is actually kind of useful in that it's really dense, really resistant to rot. They're great as fence posts or anywhere where you're going to put it in the direct contact with the ground. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to harvest some of these flowers and eat them. We'll see what we can get here. Alright, what I'm going to do is bread these and deep fry them like a fritter. We'll see how that works. I'm going to bread these up. I got a little seafood breading. Easiest thing to do is put a little in the bag and shake it. Hopefully there's enough moisture in these flowers to... Yeah, it looks pretty good. Alright, let's get their stove going. Alright, heat up some oil. Again, I'm going sort of light on this. I don't want to make a deep fry mess. The secret to doing this right is to get the oil pretty darn hot. Want the oil hot enough to cook it almost immediately and not give it time to soak into the flowers. Let's do a little test piece here. Okay. That smells surprisingly good. Okay, we'll let that cool down a little bit. Alright. So obviously you can eat the flowers by themselves too without cooking them this way. And they taste, well, they taste floral. It tastes like elderflower. If you ever had that. Mild flavor, but it's, you know, you get the smell of the flower kind of in your taste. It's pretty good, but fry them up like this. A little crispy, very light. And you get, you know, the flavor of whatever you breaded them in. In this case, it was a nice seafood, so there's some little bit of salt in there that makes it nice. Crispy, crunchy. There you go. Really good stuff. Locust flowers. Remember, the rest of the tree, the rest of the plant, toxic. But if you can catch these flowers when they're blooming, it's a nice little treat. Get out there. See you later. Bye.